This video will show you how to use the Britannica School Database. Britannica is a general reference database covering a wide range of topics. It's the digital version of the Encyclopedia Britannica, one of the oldest and best-known encyclopedias in the world. On the homepage, you can start your search in the search bar at the top. Britannica helps you out by offering recommended pages and popular searches based on your keywords, and even incorporates some alternate spellings. For example, Aksum, an ancient kingdom in present-day Ethiopia, may be spelled with an X or with KS. Britannica will suggest the same article with both spellings. However, if your initial search doesn't come up with any useful pages, check the spelling of your keywords in a different source, or try a new keyword. When you find an article, take a minute to skim it and see if it looks useful for your research. If so, there are 2 steps to take before you begin reading closely and taking notes. First, save a copy of the article to the folder with your project materials. In Britannica, this requires printing to a PDF. Click the print icon, then for destination choose Save as PDF. Click Save, and then choose a destination folder on your device, and give the article a detailed title like Britannica-Aksum. If you're keeping materials in a folder on Google Drive, you can then go to your Drive and upload the PDF directly to your folder by clicking New, then File Upload. The next thing you need to do is copy the citation information. Click the Cite icon, the checkbox, then choose your citation style. For your World Civs paper, you'll need citations that match the Simplified Chicago Style Guide. In Britannica, the closest match to this style is MLA. Copy the citation, then paste it into a document in that same folder with your other materials. It's fine to use the citation generated by the database for the outline stage of your research paper. Later, you'll need to check your citations against the Simplified Chicago Style Guide and edit them to make sure you have the right information in the right format. Now you can begin reading through the article and taking notes. Make sure to write down any new keywords that could be useful for further searching. Notice that on all of the articles you find, there might be up to 3 different reading levels. We're searching the high school level, so it's defaulting to showing us level 3, but you're free to click on the other levels to see if they have any more useful details or images. You do not need to do separate citations for the separate reading levels. Good luck using Britannica!